Today we will talk about Nikola Corporation and them going public. Are they danger to Tesla? Are they hot stock to buy now? Nikola Corporation, a leader in the design and development of BEV and FCEV Class 8 semi-trucks, merged with Vecto IQ, VTIQ, a publicly traded special purpose acquisition company, announces that the two companies have entered into a definitive agreement to create a company focused on the development of next-generation smart transportation. Upon the closing of the transaction, the combined company will be named Nikola Corporation and is expected to remain NASDAQ listed under the new ticker symbol NKLA. Founded in 2015, Nikola set out to make zero-emission big rigs using hydrogen fuel cell technology. Trevor Milton, ex-CEO, Hybrid Systems LLC, is the top dog in this. There is a pretty good team. I would say really smart people in charge of the company leadership. Hydrogen-powered vehicles have never really caught on in the passenger car space because there's been very little investment in the necessary infrastructure, where companies like Tesla got all the government help and investment so far. Before building a single vehicle for sale, the valuation of fuel cell electric truck maker Nikola Corp quadrupled to about $12 billion. On Monday, May 11th, Vecto IQ and Nikola set June 2nd for shareholders to vote on the merger. Based on 403 million Nikola shares that will be available, a $30 price would make Nikola worth $12.09 billion. If you stop for a second here, smash the like button, see where are oil prices and entire oil industry going in next 10 years. Do you think that people will buy this or this? And ask yourself, would you invest in this company now? If you are new to channel, you know that I always advise you to go to financials and numbers of company and just check them up before you put your money in them. Let me know in comments what you guys think about this stock. Is it good for long-term investment or for a short swing trade? If you believe in the business model of Nikola, there is no reason why you should not buy a stock that is currently at the price of. Tesla is valued around $150 billion right now. They have revenue that is increasing year after year, while on the other side, Nikola still didn't sold a single vehicle. Once the Nikola tree arrives in Europe, diesel will finally be on its way out, said CEO Trevor Milton. Upon completion of the merger, Vecto IQ's NASDAQ ticker of VTIQ will change to NKLA, the company said. I founded the company to completely disrupt the energy and transportation market, said Trevor Milton, CEO. Company will need more funding to get its Badger fuel cell pickup to market and also build its own network of hydrogen fuel and battery charging stations to power its vehicles. But don't forget what they say about Tesla when they started. Nobody didn't want to give them any chance. They complain about everything, from charging to debt. I believe that this company has a bright future. Let me know in comments what is your opinion. Thank you for your time. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe and smash the like button.